not come with no cooking video, no. Me have to talk about one topic when we see on YouTube with Nicki and Kylne and Gia can prank each other. So, me have to talk about my opinion on the prank and if it prank catch me. If you say, yeah, it catch me, honestly, it prank catch me because it start off where Gia and Kylne are cuss about how Nicki and Kylne are respond to their message and a bag of things. So anyway, we go over Nicki and Kylne page for here where they have to say about the topic. But I realize Nicki and Kylne so upset about the situation and they not even really want to talk about it. So I say, why two of them are war and then famous? And then if you war, two of them are YouTuber, two of them famous, two of them are top YouTuber with the prank in Jamaica so far what we see. The two top YouTuber. So I say they don't need to war about it because they're famous or whatever. Everybody I make their own money and I live their own life, so they don't need to war. So I say, well, I say I got them a war. But anyway, when Gia can respond by doing a reaction video about where Nicki and Kylne say, and them are going in a bag of things and then come to style people and a bag of things and I show what Hennessy. I say this no cause for why they keep on back and forth with each other and go on with themselves. What I say, why they would have back and forth with each other and them are war? Which part me think you know was a prank is when Nicki and Kylne. Kylne make a video and say, man, a direction video. Funny video when make already and I showed Hennessy, so he might do it. I said, no sir. Kylne is a man with everything with joke. But this have to be one prank where you Kylne behave and talk and about things. And I say, this have to be one joke. But it's still a catch me say them a war because it's so serious them a respond to each other. And a YouTuber I talk about the war and what happened with Nicki and Kylne. So it's like me still not sure it's a prank or it's real thing. But honestly, me the more things say it's a real thing than a prank. Me I tell you say this a prank yeah, epic to a level. And when me think now say yeah, real thing now when Nicki and Kylne say Gia send me the location to come link him. If I war they want then they come to war. And then me I say, no sir, what is for now? And I see there in a video, I make a video and then my guy plays and other things. And then me catch me now when if video about the end, me see like Nicki throw something like a war gonna happen. I say, Bumba man, a real war this and Nicki now play because I know say Nicki head hot like that, you know, she love war. And she not like nobody play with her head or want to start a war. Cause even she can't fight, she got war back. I say, this is really a war. And then me see everybody there on Instagram on live because me follow two of them, the two couples and other YouTuber. See them there on Instagram on live. Me say, Bumba, this really was an epic prank. Honestly, me commented two of them as YouTuber, two famous YouTuber, and then collab. This prank was epic. I mean, I don't know if you catch enough of Uno or the feet a prank, but me tell you say, it catch me love it, me like how they come together and how they can act you good because me tell you say, Nicki and Kylne really act good, Gia and Kylne act good. I'm a Nicki and Kylne fan, I watch Gia and Kylne, but I'm a Nicki and Kylne fan. But me tell you say, me apply two couple of them, see what them do, me like how them play out real tricky crowd. Because I tell you say, only trick hundreds of people. You have other YouTube where you make video as a job. I follow up on a prank or on a pull off. And the YouTuber get famous out of this, all of these things. I tell you because we see other YouTuber, they have such subscribers and they reach blow up because of this thing. And I applaud I like and I don't like to see more prank. Maybe we have to come more stronger because I now catch people like that again. Personally now catch me like that again because me try my YouTube thing and me tell you say, wanna teach me a lot and inspire me a lot. And me rate to know and thumbs up for the prank and everything that you do. And me enjoy video them and hope you come with something more epic. That's just my opinion. Me not come to bash G and Ken, me not come to bash Nicki and Kylne. Because now YouTuber, when I do nothing to make your life better, and I respect that. But me tell you say, this prank was well planned, organized, and me tell you say, two one can act. The two couple them really can act. And me enjoy it, so let's continue the one after though. That is just my opinion on the video. Until next time I'm out. Before me go on, please like, share, comment and subscribe and hit that post notification bell. So when I make one video, you can get notification. More me on my way to 1,000 subscribers. So guys, please like up the video, share with your friend and auntie and uncle. Just do the do and help me out.